going on. Let's tell them what's going on, right? So we watched the movie with the kids, and the little one, was saying he wanted to go to bed. So mommy laid down with him, and mommy fell asleep. So what we're gonna do tonight, right? We're gonna get her up because we're supposed to watch that other movie. It's Medea's funeral. Yeah. So she fell asleep on us, right?
Yep.
So, what we're gonna hit her with? It's not gonna be pretty. What is it called? The air horn. Yep, it's called the air horn. Yep, yep,
Or for another term, ear rape.
yep. Air rape. Okay, cool. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna let Brenton record. We're gonna go in the room, and we're gonna call it a night. You ready?
Yep.
Let's do it. Oh, thank God. Come here, close the door.
You mean a big party with music and happy people and dancing? Sure, it'll be fun. I've made lots of new friends. You can make friends too.
Knock, knock, honey. How are you? Yeah, so that's what happens. So, she was scared. It's time to wake up. We gotta watch Medea's funeral.
How did Jace not wake up?
He's overtired. He was very tired. So get up, honey. How you like that? Huh? Look at, yeah, she's breathing heavy, huh? Get up now. Come on, we gotta watch the movie. Knock, knock.
I have to do it twice on me.
So, guys, we got her, right? What is this?
She jumped.
This is just the beginning. She jumped. We did it. I hope you like it. I want you to like, share, and pound the subscribe button. Don't just subscribe. I mean, that's
Even if you have
kinda
to
old.
break your screen.
Just break your screen. We'll pay for a new one, right?
Yep.
We may give you a rain check or whatever the case is. Just pound it. Come on. Peace.